a new standard in meaningful design. Meet the Creationist Arca Arsha version 2, a refined, beautifully crafted vessel designed to hold your most important intentions, reflections, or keepsakes. With its intricate geometric surface and cosmic-inspired interior, this piece blends modern craftsmanship with timeless symbolism. Wood composite, finished detail. Interior chamber with shimmering depth. Perfect for notes, tokens, or daily reflection. More than decor, the Creationist Arca version 2 creates a quiet space for focus, clarity, and personal intention. Whether placed on your desk, altar, or nightstand, it invites a sense of presence and beauty to your everyday routine. Creationist Arca Arsha version 2. Form, function, meaning. Coming soon.